This guide includes definitions of words and phrases used throughout the reemployment assistance process. Adjudication is the review of any issues raised when the application for benefits was filed or when requesting benefit payment. An appeal referee is a hearing officer who conducts the appeal and will decide the outcome of the issues being adjudicated. An appellant is the party filing an appeal to an adverse determination or decision. An appellee is the non-filing party involved in an appeal of a determination or decision. Balance refers to the amount left that is payable on a claim. The base period refers to the covered wages earned during a certain period. These wages are used to determine if a claimant qualifies monetarily for reemployment assistance and the amount to which he or she is entitled to receive. The base period is comprised of the first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters preceding the benefit year beginning date. The benefit year beginning is the effective or beginning date of a new reemployment assistance claim. It is usually the Sunday of the week in which the claimant filed their new claim. The benefit year ending is the ending date of a reemployment assistance claim. It is always 1 year from the benefit year beginning date minus 1 day. For example, a claim effective February 3rd, 2019 would have an end date of February 2nd, 2020. Career Source Center refers to a local Florida Workforce Services office where claimants can go for assistance in obtaining employment. A claimant is any individual seeking reemployment assistance from the state of Florida. The Claimant ID is a unique identification number assigned to the claimant. It ties the claimant record and benefit claim record together across all programs and claims in the system. Connect is an online claim system used to calculate, track, and dispense reemployment assistance benefits. After the initial claim is determined to be eligible for reemployment assistance, all further claims are considered continued claims. Disqualified means the claimant has been issued a determination or decision advising he or she is ineligible for benefits. If the claimant's gross earnings during a week are less than the weekly benefit amount, the earnings disregard is subtracted from the earnings and the remainder is deducted from the weekly benefit amount to determine the amount payable to the claimant. The earnings disregard amount is calculated by multiplying 8 by the federal minimum wage, which is currently $7.25 per hour. For example, if the claimant weekly benefit amount is $100 and the claimant gross earnings are also $100, then no payment is due to the claimant. However, if the claimant weekly benefit amount is $100 and the claimant's gross earnings are $98, then the earnings disregard of $58, which is 8 multiplied by the federal minimum wage of $7.25 per hour, is deducted from $98. That leaves $40 to be deducted from the claimant's weekly benefit amount, and a payment of $60 will be issued to the claimant. The Eligibility Review Program is an in-depth review of claimant responses to a questionnaire sent to selected claimants to determine their continued eligibility to receive unemployment benefits. Eligible means that the claimant meets the monetary qualifications to establish a claim. To be monetarily eligible for benefits, you must have been paid wages in 2 or more calendar quarters in the base period. Your total base period wages are equal to or more than 1.5 times your high quarter wages, and the total wages you have earned in your qualified quarters of your claim must be equal or higher than $3,400. A claimant is considered by their employer to be a full-time employee if his or her work schedule is 32 hours or more per week. The hearing officer is an appeals referee or special deputy assigned to schedule and conduct a hearing. In a claimant's base period, the total earnings in each quarter are compared to determine which quarter has the highest earnings. The high quarter earnings are multiplied by 1.5, and if the total wages in the base period do not equal or exceed this amount, the claimant would not qualify for a claim. You will be monetarily ineligible for benefits if you have not been paid wages in 2 or more calendar quarters in the base period, your total base period wages are less than 1.5 times your high quarter wages, or the total wages you have earned in your qualified quarters of your claim are not equal or higher than $3,400. An initial claim refers to the first time a claimant files for reemployment assistance benefits. The maximum benefit amount is the largest amount of benefits eligible to receive on a regular claim. On-call refers to a claimant who works variable hours as needed under a verbal or written contract. A pension is a sum of money paid regularly as a retirement benefit. A promised hire date is when the claimant provided a date to begin work with an employer. It must be within 6 weeks. Reopen claim is the action to reopen an inactive claim. An application must be completed, and if there was employment since the claimant last filed for benefits, that employment information must be provided. Reemployment assistance is a benefit for Floridians who have lost their job through no fault of their own, are able and available for work, and are actively seeking employment. It is also known as unemployment compensation. A request for reconsideration is a request to have a determination ended or reversed due to new information made available. Requesting benefit payments refers to completing a continued claim application in order to request payment for the week in question. Claimant must meet all monetary and non-monetary eligibility criteria in order for a payment to be issued. Return to work date is the date on which an employee is scheduled to return to work with a former employer or start work with a new employer. Severance pay is compensation for the loss of a job. It is a matter of agreement between an employer and an employee. Severance pay provided to an individual regardless of the reason will affect a claimant's eligibility for benefits. The State Information Data Exchange System is a nationally recognized program that allows employers from across the country to respond to state unemployment insurance requests for information. A third-party representative is an individual or business entity that represents the claimant in conducting tax, reimbursable, or appeals business on behalf of the claimant. An untimely appeal is an appeal filed after the 20 calendar day time frame provided under the law. Wages in lieu of notice are wages paid instead of a notice of layoff or discharge. When an employer terminates a worker, instead of allowing the person to work a notice, the employer will give wages for the notice period. The waiting week is the very first week of reemployment assistance program claimed, which has no earnings, or earnings are less than weekly benefits amount, for which benefits will not be paid. There is only one non-payable waiting week per claim filed within the same benefits year. The weekly benefit amount is the maximum amount a claimant is eligible to receive per week before any deductions are taken. Work search requirement refers to the number of job contacts that a claimant must make each week in order to be eligible to receive benefits for a week of unemployment. The number is determined by the size of the county in which the claimant resides. Workers' compensation is a government-mandated insurance that provides benefits to covered employees and their dependents if the employee suffers job-related injury, disease, or death. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.